Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Opportunity radar for 17th July. Post market report of 16th July. Market today gapped up and closed on negative note. Also today is an inside day. There is a negative pressure on every rise of the market, which is seen in the indices as well as in several stocks. You can see clearly here, cement sector, past 2 days it was in bullishness, but today it was under pressure. IT was in bullishness, today it was IT was in negative yesterday and today it gained. So one day one sector is gaining and next day the same sector is selling off. So there is no clear conviction in a particular sector as well as a particular theme. Every rise is being seen as a profit booking opportunity. So every rise is being sold off widely over all the stocks as well as in the indices. So you have to tread carefully till the clear breakout of 24,600 on the buying side. Otherwise, we have to wait till August 10th for a bullish or a bearish reversal in the market. All three indices closed negative today. The market mood meter is moving slightly towards mild bearishness from neutral. Top gainers today is from petrochemical, MRPL and Chen Petro. Also in ABB and solar related MV. Dixon also showed a more than 10% move in the morning market and then closed at a 6.27% today. You can see clearly there is no single sector or single theme establishing a clear trend. Every bullishness is a mixed bag. One stock from one sector is performing one day and the next day it is being sold off. In top losers today, insurance and asset management company and banks were the major losers today, and there is also a profit booking in Nuvoco because for the past 2 days there was a bullish run in Nuvoco and there is a slight profit booking today. Sector heat map. Positive sectors being consumer durables, IT, refinery, capital goods and metals. Flat sector being auto, energy, FMCG and pharma. Negative sectors being insurance, bank nifty, cement, realty and financial services. As per options data, Nifty's support and resistance stood strong at 24,000 and 24,200 level and PCR also showing a mild bearish trend. Bank Nifty support moved from 58,000 to 57,000, indicating a bearish move can happen in this Bank Nifty. There is a large cap bank result tomorrow. Based on the result only, this will be confirmed or not. Options build up in the long direction were happened in MRPL, ABB, Dixon, BHEL, Chen Petro and MV, which we have already seen in the highest volume stocks and top gainers. Short build up happened in ICICI. There is also Nifty intraday shorts happened today and JB Chem Farm. Due to the result miss, there is a short build up in JB Chem Farm and long unwinding in these sectors. Because Grow and Nuvoco and HFCMC were rallying previously, there is a slight profit booking in these counters. Unusual volume happened mostly positive. Only ICICI General Insurance, due to the profit after tax, major loss minus 46% as well as JB Chem Pharma having a Q1 result miss. These two being the negative, all others being a broader positive tone only. Tomorrow's watch list. These stocks are for illustration only, not recommendatory. These stocks combine both volume, price action as well as fundamental year on year, quarter on quarter profit after tax and revenue growth. So keep these stocks for your watch list. Do your due diligence of fundamental and technical analysis and then take any decision on this. stocks. Stocks being VHEL, MRPL, Wipro, ABB and Jubilant Pharma. Tomorrow's key levels for Nifty remain the same as yesterday because today being an inside day and tomorrow there is a several important company results also there. We have to wait and watch what is happening tomorrow, whether it is breaking on the buy side or the sell side, and there is a weekend also. We have to wait and watch tomorrow's price action for a clear direction. Bank Nifty support moved to 56,900. A 1000 point support move is happened in Bank Nifty, showing a bearish directional move in the Bank Nifty. So this is it. Overall market remains neutral and mildly bearish. So we have to wait and watch tomorrow's results and the price action to confirm a direction. In my opinion, until the price breaks 24,600 in the buy side, there is no bullish momentum in the market. And as per market cycle dates, we have to wait and watch till August 10th for any clear directional movement in the market. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.